new tutorials. And friends, this tutorial is a Photoshop banners and logo and 2500 banners and logo download free. Friends, video, don't skip this video. uh, Start this video. First of all, friends, go to the anything browser. Friends, I am just Google Chrome is open, and open. This page is loading, and my uh, this friends, I am required this Photoshop is open. Friends, this Photoshop is loading, and look, Photoshop, above Photoshop CS6. And wait, friends, I have to 10 seconds. And very easily a step, friends. Friends, this Photoshop is pop-up is open already, and very carefully step. And first of all, I am just get it. Friends, space and path is okay. And friends, next toolkit. This tool is hide, and don't know, friends, I am just provide, and scroll down, and friends, this tool is color cavity. I am just anything select. I am just select, and friends, and space open. Look, friends. Okay, friends, this tool is only 10 themes and logo only. And friends, requirement, download this file jpg and extract, and 2500. Friends, I am just close, and I am just minimize, and download folders open. I am just download folders. Friends, this file name is 2500 space clones, and extract file. Right click, and extract file, and extract anything, select and extract file. And okay, friends, this sample file, and I am just back. And friends, I am just folder is minimize, and open your Photoshop is open, and selected already. I am just click, and friends, this settings icon very small, and just click, and load this face. Friends, looks very carefully a step. Load space, and okay. And friends, this extract file your location folder. I am just download folders, and okay, and download compress file. Double click, and clone. Friends, looks, friends, clones, and okay, and okay, and select, and load. 5 to 10 minute wait, friends, and loading, and 5 to 10 seconds. Friends, look, friends, here biggest banners, logo, theme, anything, friends, select, and choose your logo. Friends, look, Friends, I hope your PC perfectly working and support your PC. Friends, first of all, like, subscribe, friend, and support my channel. And I hope you friends perfectly working your PC and support my channel, friends, and like, subscribe, friends, and okay, bye.